This summer, the Cumberland County Department of Public Health is giving away free mosquito insecticide to Cumberland County residents as part of the department's mosquito control program. Residents receive a 4-month supply. Environmental Health Supervisor Daniel Ortiz explains how the product works to kill mosquito larvae, and he offers some tips to help you fight back against those pesky insects.
This time of year, what we have is, the mosquito season between June and September. And what happens is, that's when the breeding season starts. That's when people are active. They want to go outside, sports, children out of school, and parents want them outside. They don't want them in the house watching TV, so they want to be active. And that's, the dangerous part is there's mosquitoes everywhere. And what we're trying to do is make sure that we're providing a safe environment for the children and the homeowners and citizens of Cumberland County. There are normally about 3 diseases or illnesses that are transmitted by mosquitoes. That's the West Nile virus, Eastern equine encephalitis, and lacrosse encephalitis. And they are normally the North Carolina mosquito-borne vector diseases that we have here. And that's the ones that we are concerned about, and that's why we have the mosquito control prevention plan. This year, Cumberland County Environmental Health was able to procure some funds through the state, and we were able to buy mosquito dunks, which is a larvicide that will help with the breeding of mosquitoes to prevent them from growing from the larval stage to the adult biting stage. And we're giving those away free to the citizens of Cumberland County, and we're located at the Health Department on Ramsey Street. We're on the 3rd floor. All you need to do is come in, write down your name and address. That way we can keep track of the location of where you're going to be putting the larvicide. And it's a 4-month supply, and if you run out, we should have plenty more toward the end of the season. The mosquito dunks is a brown or beige donut-shaped larvicide. And what you can do with that, you can break it apart, put it in bird baths, you can put it in flower pots that have standing water, or any place that you have any standing water that you cannot drain. The active ingredient is called BTI, and it's a bacillus. And what that does, it kills the larva of the mosquitoes, so they don't grow to the adult biting stage of the mosquito life cycle. Mosquitoes really, they don't live a whole long time, but what we want to do is reduce the population, because that is key in the mosquito control program. Because once the mosquitoes reach adult cycle, they need the blood, that way they can fertilize the eggs and produce more mosquitoes. So the main part that we want to do is eliminate the breeding areas. So that's why we're providing the larvicide to the homeowners. The actual dunks themselves are environmentally friendly, they're safe for your pets, it's an eco-friendly product that you don't have to really worry about. And the state was able to give us some funds so that we can provide these to the citizens at no cost. And we have a 4-month supply for all the citizens. We've given away over 400 doses of the larvicide already, and we still have plenty more. If you have standing water around your house, we like to refer to as the tip and toss method. Doing a visual inspection around your house, if you see any standing water, tip it over, or if you have any trash or any products around your house that can hold water, just eliminate it. Throw it away or store it in a proper place, that way it doesn't have water standing in it. Everybody wants the mosquito spraying program where the trucks go out in the yards or down the streets and spraying this big fog of adulticide. And it's really not an effective measure of mosquito control. All it does is kill the mosquitoes that are out by the road or just happen to fly by, and it's really weather dependent. If you have a good breeze, it's going to blow it away and it's not going to be effective. The best measure is to have a breeding control program. That way you can eliminate the breeding and it reduces the population. Another misconception is that all mosquitoes bite you. Not all mosquitoes will bite you. Some, they feed on flower, pollen, but there's only a few, and they only need the blood, that way they can fertilize the eggs, the females. The male mosquitoes do not bite you. They're only there for breeding purposes. Department of Public Health has an excellent website. Just do a Google search or any type of search and put in mosquito control, and they'll give you plenty of information. The Cumberland County website has information. But you want to be able to protect yourself, use mosquito repellent, make sure you read the labels, manufacturer recommendations, because you want to be able to protect yourself when you're out in the field.